I've been playing golf since I was 2 years old.
Oh, good one. Nice hit.
I hit it.
You want to see Lincoln on
Yes.
it? Okay, go hit one more and then you can see Lincoln.
No.
Okay, stand next to it, put it back, and hit it. Wow! Good job, buddy!
Tease.
A couple years ago, I broke my ankle playing basketball. So I haven't been playing in tournaments since after I broke my ankle. So my goal was to get ready for tournaments so then I could play again.
Nice.
Just like that.
Good hit, buddy.
I have been watching lots of tournaments of golf so that I could prepare to be a better golfer. I have been going to see a golf pro to get my swing better, and it really has improved.
Well, at least I got out.
Yep, it's out.
So this is the golf lab. This is where I have my golf lessons, and I have been coming here since the beginning of the project to improve my golf swing. The first things that I was doing was when I was swinging, I was coming over the top, which meant that I didn't get the ball high. And then another thing was my head, it started low and then it popped up and then it like came back down. So you don't want your head moving very much when you're golfing. So this is my golf pro, Corey Badger, and he has helped a ton with my swing. He is the golf expert. And this just shows before and after of my swing.
The biggest thing that we were trying to improve is like he was saying, they call it in golf over the top. So this club comes down by his neck, and you see now it drops down in more shallow. What that does is makes the club come in more from the inside of the golf ball, which then elevates the ball much higher into the air. A lot less up and down motion in his head, and he has much more rotation in his body on the after than the before swing. So he had a good swing when he first started, definitely. He's been working on his game for a few years, but he took a little bit of time off, so now we're just getting him back on track so he can go out and play tournaments.
I've learned a lot over the weeks of this practice, and now it's time to hit the ball in the hole. Still got some practice.
One.